One of the things that we're doing in this home is this island. This island is about 10 feet wide. This island is ginormous, it's massive, so it's gonna have this huge quartz countertop, massive sink, dishwasher. Question for you, if you're buying a home this size, that's 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, would you want 1 dishwasher or 2 dishwashers? Can you please put it in the comments below? Let me know, 1 dishwasher or 2 dishwashers? Because I got space for 2 dishwashers in the island. But I need to know if I should do 2 here or just stick with 1. Please, in the comments below, blow it up and share it to everyone that you know so that they give me some insight on what to do.